How to turn off two-factor authentication on Riot account. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can turn off two-factor authentication on your account, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Riot account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the page where you would see all of your games and all of that. Then move to the top right corner where you can see my account button. Click on it, and in the options displayed, click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you would be brought to the settings page. On this page, you can see some options by the left side, which include Riot ID, personal information, Riot account sign in, connected account, two-factor authentication. Just click on two-factor authentication, and then you can see that it is enabled already. So to turn it off, just click on disable, and then a prompt will be displayed on your screen showing you the importance of two-factor authentication and what you'll be missing out on if you turn it off. But if you still want to turn it off, click on confirm, and then just like that, your two-factor authentication would be disabled successfully. And that is it. That's been turned off. To turn it on again, click on enabled and it will be turned on. So this is how you can disable or turn off your two-factor authentication on your Riot account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has really helped you. See you in the next video.